So if we go into the MyHomeComfort application, we can see that we're getting a temperature readout from our thermostat. In this case, I have a CA4, and if you look to the top right, I've got room sensors attached into this network. And so I've got a My Home tab. Under here is the thermostat that I've just named Test. I have a room sensor named Master Bedroom and one named Living Room. What we're going to look at is if we go into the room sensor, the master bedroom for this case, and then go down to the current temperature, we'll see that there's several toggle options that these room sensors open up for us in this application. What we'll look at is down towards the bottom, we'll see participating devices and temperature averaging based on sleep. And if you tap the info button, it'll give you a short run through of what this is actually doing. And the sleep mode in this case, if I toggle it on, it is going to give us a time interval as well as sleep devices to select from. With the time interval, this allows us to start the sleep time window. So if we want to say maybe 9:30 p.m. as the set time and end time is 6:30 a.m., during those hours, if we go down, we can select a room sensor or the primary thermostat itself. And as long as at least one of these devices is selected, the room sensor in this case, temperature that is red will become the primary target point for the system. It's going to ignore the occupancy sensor during that time window and just focus on the temperature. So this allows us to direct where we're getting the most comfort in the home from. You can add multiple devices in here. Like we saw, we could do the thermostat or all of the room sensors. I could do a master bedroom, a living room like this case, and it will take an average of those during our time window. Now, if we come back, you'll see there's a little moon icon above those, and that says sleep mode. Since I've got the master bedroom and the living room both tagged in there, is saying that we have sleep mode turned on, and during those times, we'll be averaging with temperatures. Now, we can also do these through the settings and the smart room sensors and the devices towards the bottom, or if we go under the settings and current temperature, we'll get the same options under here as well. So during non-sleep hours, we'll still be taking the average temperatures. So if we go under the device settings, you'll see that the device is still turned on and is taking place in the temperature averaging.